How are y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're here, you must have watched my other video, my glossy box, or my unboxing, or my yes or yes, or you just came back and you're an oldie but a goodie, so welcome back. But if you're new, hit like and subscribe, and join the Cuban Beauty Familia, and be a beauty today. Today we're going to be unboxing the Allure Beauty Box that is collabed with Huda Beauty. I do not know what's in this box. I've seen stuff here and there, but I try to stay away from spoilers nowadays. Okay, I just gave my address away, whatever. I kind of try to stay away from from spoilers because I don't want to know what's coming. I want to be as surprised as you are when I open these boxes. Otherwise, if I've seen spoilers, I'm like, oh yeah, I knew that was coming. I already saw it. Yeah, I don't want that. So let's get into this box and see what I got. Okay. Ooh. With passion and purpose, every dream is possible. Huda Katan of Huda Beauty. And see, it's always very nicely packaged. And I think Huda Katan is absolutely gorgeous. I think she's such a pretty woman. I mean, look at her. She's got those big, beautiful green eyes. She's just a beautiful woman. Every month we get these books, and in these little booklets, these little pamphlets, it tells us everything that we got. So as I'm unboxing, I will tell you what we got. If there's a retail value, I'll tell you. I don't know. Allure Beauty Box is $15 a month, and you get a lot of good products. I've gotten a few samples. Mainly, I've gotten full-size stuff. And I've liked everything I've got. And they do really awesome collabs. I've had one where I got a collab with Nikki Tutorials last month. And the month before, I don't remember who the collabs are with. But I didn't get to the videos because I was gone. I had just packed off to go to Mexico. And yeah. Okay, guys. I'm just going through here. And like I'm not even showing y'all what I'm doing here. So, yeah. Let's get with this. This is the color Alluring. It says Huda Beauty Liquid Matte in the shade Alluring. This looks like your quintessential, beautiful, true red. And it is fabulous. Oh my god, that does look like a quintessential blood red. Let's see though, on my hand, that's quintessential blood red. Oh yeah, that's a beautiful, beautiful red. It's like an orangey red, but it's a pretty red. But it is your quintessential red. So, let's move on. That one retails $4.50, because I don't know. As I said, sometimes it's hit or miss on whether it'll say or not. The Allure Beauty Box exclusive does not say. It just says the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in Alluring. Does not say how much it is, but I do know that you can get any of the Huda Beauty lipsticks at Sephora, because I'm in Sephora like all the time, so I know. This month's bag is this cute little pinkish neon pink bag. That's really cute. Full of goodies. And in the bottom of the box is a beautiful picture of none other than Huda Katan, who is just absolutely gorgeous. She's so pretty. Let's see what she's got in this box. What I got in my box, shall we? So let's get into this box and see. Okay, and these boxes are awesome because you can pack them with God knows what. KLE Vanilla 28 Eau de Parfum. A perfume by KLE. Kayali? I don't know. Vanilla 128 is where it says down here. There you go. 128. Couldn't really see that. Vanilla Orchard, Tonka Absolute, Brown Sugar, Amber Woods, and Musk. Okay, all that sounded good till I heard musk. Not a musky person. Let's see. That smells really good. Actually. And now I'm going to sneeze. Pardon me. That smells really, really good. I like that. That is a Kayali Vanilla. Katan and her sister Mona launched Kayali fragrances together. You can buy it at shopforhudabeauty.com. So evidently you buy it online. But you can smell the brown. It smells like brown sugar and vanilla. It's a very relaxing scent. It smells very, very good. I like that. If y'all see this mess behind me, please excuse it. This is all going to be completely revamped this weekend. When y'all see it again, it won't even be there. So that's what the beauty of it is. We're going to move on into this box, into this bag, before I keep seeing what all I have in here and ruin my own surprises. The next thing are lashes. I'm not big into lashes, as y'all know, but I have been trying to get into them. but I don't want to look like I have spiders in my eyes, so I'm kind of careful with them. These are the Huda Beauty Samantha No. 7 Classics. Now, those are pretty. They're classics. They're nothing crazy looking. They're very natural looking, and I like those. I'd probably give those a whirl. We'll have to see with my next Get Ready With Me video if I put them on or not. We'll see. I'm going to put them up here at the rest of my lashes that I have, which, believe me, I have a lot of lashes now. I've been kind of saving them as I go. So, those are the Huda Beauty lashes. You can get them at shophudabeauty.com, and those retail for $20 a pair. That's not bad. Moving on. We have... Ooh. Urban Decay's Glide On Eye Pencil 24/7 in 0. This is just a black pencil eyeliner by... it's like a gel eyeliner pencil by... Urban Decay. I love Urban Decay's 24/7 Glide On eyeliners. They're awesome. They are absolutely phenomenal. Those, I know you can get those at urbandecay.com, obviously, but you can also get them at Sephora. They retail for about $22 a piece, yeah. They're really, really good, I promise they are. The next thing, and I can say they're good because I know from experience. What else is in this thing? Is that it? It says that we're supposed to get something else, but I don't see it. Way Hair Care Texturizing Hairspray. A nice little bottle of Way. I like Way products, so that's really cool. And that is... It retails for $26 full-size price, which this one is not a full price. This is a sample, but you know what? I don't use enough hairspray, so that's fine. That's perfect for me. The next thing is the Tony Moly Intense Care Snail Hydrogel Mask. That's what I want to think. I got a snail crawling all over. It's got entrails all over my face. This is a 2-piece mask. It is a gold mask. It's a Tony Moly Intense Care Gold 24 karat snail hydrogel mask. Okay, I'll bite. I just don't like the idea of thinking of like snails' entrails on my face, but maybe that's not what it is. I don't know. But it's got something with snails is very healthy for your face, so I'll give the snails a try. It's not like I'm gonna go out in my yard and put a garden snail on my face. Those retail for $10 a sheet mask. Yeah, I can buy that. I can believe that. Okay. And that is all that I got in my box. I was a little worried. There's other stuff that other people got that I would have loved to have gotten, which was the Benefit Cabral Cream Gel Brow Color by Benefit. I do like that one, but I didn't get it. Or the Too Faced Hangover Primer, which is another thing that I like, but I didn't get it. But that's okay. I'm not mad. I'm not mad. We'll review what I got in just a moment. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Allure Beauty, you're going to want to see this. We're giving you an exclusive sneak peek at some of your favorite products coming up in your August box. Scratch off to reveal. And I guess I scratch them all to reveal it, but we'll do that in a minute. And the exclusive limited code, Allure, and then a code, redeem now at Huda Beauty for 25% off. I may have to do that. I may actually have to do that. Let me scratch these off and let's see what we got here. Oh, excuse me. I'm telling you, Texas allergies suck. It's probably not everybody in Texas, but just me. Again, I don't like to do spoilers, but I am going to do this because it said to go ahead if I wanted to know. So it's giving me an exclusive sneak peek, but I can't talk. So what good is that going to do me? Okay, the first thing is Primera Hydrate and Glow Alpine Berry Water Cream. I don't know if you can see that right there in the corner very well, but that's what it says. Primera Hydrate and Glow Alpine Berry Winter Cream. The next thing is, it says it's supposed to scratch them all, so we're going to scratch them all. I'm going to get this shit all over the damn place. Pardon me, kids, ignore my language. Oh, hell, it's like another YouTubers don't cuss. I don't know what this says, guys. Oh, Lord. Multitask Eye Serum Masks by Erno Laszlo. I'm pretty sure that's what that says. I can't see it. Yeah, I was right. Erno Laszlo. Multitask Eye Serum Masks. So that's this one right here. Let's keep going here. This looks like some tubular thing. The tube of some sort. It's by Murad. I don't know what it is, though. But this month is almost over, and more boxes are coming, guys. More boxes will be out soon. By the time you watch my next video, hopefully I'll have my new backdrop down and my new lighting, my professional lighting in here. And I'm like, okay, it says Murad something. I don't know what it says. It's something by Murad. And it's right there. If y'all know what that is, let me know down in the comments below. Honestly, don't know what it is. And the next one, pardon me, I've got the hiccups. Case of the belches, actually, more than I have the hiccups. This one, oh, this is a mascara, which I can never have enough of those. The Real. Now, if I'm not mistaken, didn't I get a mascara the other day called The Real? It might have been The Roll. I don't know, I don't remember. I don't see it to tell you, so I don't know. The Real. They're Real by Benefit. It's by Benefit. It's called They're Real, and it's a mascara. So that is what I got in my Allure beauty box. So let me know if you get a Allure beauty box. Let me know down in the comments what you got in yours. I'm curious to know what you got, because we can compare. All right, guys, that's the end of my Allure beauty box video. Go back and watch the other ones. Like I said, I've got my Yes Oh Yes, my first glossy box, and then my Allure for July. So, without further ado, I'm going to go. I've got things to do. I got to go to work in the morning. So, yeah. Life of a busybody like me. Work, work, work. So, yeah. It's time for me to go. Call it a day and relax. I'm still wearing my scrub pants. If that tells you anything, you just can't see them because they're kind of hidden down here. Why I've got them on. Just a shirt with them. But, yeah. So, be sure you stay tuned for that video. The Mint Mongoose Black is on its way. I don't know when it'll be here. Should be here any day now. For all I know, it could be here tomorrow. I don't know. I lost the tracking number for it, so I don't know. It kind of makes me mad because I kind of wanted to know when it would be here, and now I don't know because I don't have my tracking number. So it is what it is. It's no big deal. All right, loves. I love y'all. Y'all have a great day. And like I said in my other video, I'm going to put just another shout out. Look in the comment section down below. There's a channel I want y'all to check out. Her name is Allie Wow and her trio. It's a very sweet friend of mine with her beautiful children. She does show them a lot in her videos, and they're really, really cute. Her little boy tries to take the show, and believe me, he can steal it. He's cute. He can really take that channel and run. He's adorable. So, anyway, get back to me and let me know what y'all think on this video. You know, if you got anything like I got in the Allure beauty box, did you get something different? Do you want to maybe swap? Let me know. We can swap if you want something that I have. And maybe I want something you have. Let's see. But do know that I did swatch the lipstick because I liked it. And eyelashes, I'm afraid I'm probably going to keep those because I like them. I'm probably going to use those once I master the art of putting them on, which, yeah, may not happen. I had to try a cleansing spa water wipe that I got in my BoxyCharm, in my BoxyCharm. They're quite nice, actually. I don't know. I know it made a funny look. It makes you think they have a bad scent, but they don't. I'm not really sure what they smell like, but it's not bad. But anyway, all right, loves. I'm going to go. Because like I said, I got a million and one things to do. It's a Thursday night. I got to make my lunch for the morning. I got to get my clothes ready for tomorrow. Although I get to wear jeans and a t-shirt to work tomorrow. So yay! Nurse score, nurse score. It's a nurse thing you wouldn't understand. Anyway, okay, guys. So remember, we're on the road to 800. We get to 800, and somebody wins the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette, and that is a no joke. That is going to happen. I don't have the palette yet, but I'm getting it. But by the time I hit 800, for all I know, Anastasia Beverly Hills may have a completely different palette out then, which you'll have to change it to something else. So we'll see. But anyway, that's a joke. No, we'll hit it before that. So, you guys be good. Stay sweet. I'm going to go to get ready for work tomorrow and to go watch Big Brother. So if you watch CBS, watch Big Brother tonight. Let's see what happens. And let me know who your favorite person is in the game on the comments down below. I don't know that I actually have a favorite this season. I don't really like any of them. It's just a personal thing. But this weekend I will debut my new room and hopefully start a live stream where y'all can we can chit chat and talk, and y'all can tell me what you think about my new room and all that good stuff. Maybe we can do a chatty get ready with me. Love y'all. Y'all guys take care. Bye bye. Besos.